workbench, legacy system migration workbench, right? So of the method to upload the data in non-SAP to SAP. Okay, so in this video we are uploading transactional data, GL transactional data. So same way you can go and upload all type of transaction data, either vendor based transaction data, customer based transaction data. So all type of data you can upload. Okay, so what is abbreviation of LSMW? Migration system workbench, legacy system migration workbench, right? So its explanation is nothing but is a cutoff for activity to upload the data from one system to another system. Okay, by following 12 steps. Okay, we'll go and see the steps and with explanation. Okay, at the end I will tell you the difference, what are the differences in HANA asset accounting in confidential part and transactional posting part. Okay, let us start the video. California dreaming about you. Welcome back. uh, so we'll go and see the steps of ellipse and W, so how it works and what are the changes in S4 HANA also I will tell. Okay, so in this video, so I will tell you some in the error point of view I will tell you. Okay, LSMW. Okay, so need to create first create entry. The project is GL. Okay, 1100 GL. So 1100 is my company code. GL balance uploading. GL upload. So whenever you creating a LSMW, so you need to mention project and sub project, then object. If I click, see object will come. So you need to define. Okay, oh shit, I forgot to give sub project. Okay, GL post. So whenever you're defining LSMW, so must and should it will ask project, sub project, object, and the name. Okay, once it is defining, so it is allowing to execute the transaction. Okay, so continue. So these are the steps to upload the data. Okay, maintain object attributes, maintain source structure, maintain source fields, maintain structure relationship, maintain fields mapping and conversion rule, maintain fixed values, translation, user defined ratios, specify files, assign files, read files, display data, convert data, display convert data, create batch input session, run batch input session. These postings it automatically creates. Okay, we no need to bother about this below steps. Okay, so let's start the configuration. So in the object attributes, we can see the lot of methods to upload the data. See object methods and program, it's not technical. So we are going with the batch input recording because we are recording the session. So which transaction code we are uploading the data. Okay, first we need to convert it into display mode to change mode, then click on recording overview. Okay, create what you're creating, GL post. So what transaction you're using? f-02 and f-40. So I'll give f-02. So what are all the fields we are entering, the data will capture. Okay, 29 0304 or 2020. Document type SA, company code 1100, currency INR. So if you want to give text, header text, you can give. So I'm not giving any references. 40. So I'm giving some expense GL account, and the amount is 20,000. Text testing upload. 50 is I'll give you bank account. Business area 11. So I can give anything which is related to the cost center, profit center. Okay. So amount, I'll give star. If I give a star, you know, right, it will capture the previous value. So if I give plus, the text will capture automatically from the previous line item. So because of balance sheet account, it is asking not give cost center. So the values will captured. So what are all the values we have entered in the transaction code f-02? So the value has captured. Okay. So what we do, just click default all, the values will capture. Okay. See what are all the values we need to enter while posting the transaction. So that values come here. Okay. Save it. Data was saved, right? So GL account postings. So once it is recording is done, so we'll click here. So if you click F4, add this box mark, so it will capture automatically. So if it is only one, it will come only one. If you have more than one, so you can go inside and select right one. Okay, save it. So data was saved. Then we need to capture this transaction data somewhere, right? So what we do, so for that, click on object overview. So what format we need, so in the list format or a table format? I'll go with the table format because it is easy to get the data. Okay, I will copy this data and I'll put it in my Excel sheet. Okay, I don't want this heading. Open Excel. So my internet is not accepting to voice search. Okay, okay, this is the thing. And with this data we can copy as some other format. I will save in desktop or some hidden. Okay, here I don't have anything, so post. Okay, so this format I'll make it as a descending order, like descending order, it is in a vertical order. Okay, so I paste special here because I need data the row wise. Shit, I didn't copy it. So if you click transpose, the data will convert from column to vertical. Okay, see. So by the time you can enter easily the data. Okay, so for that purpose I can do this. Okay, right, then and go with the continue flow. Okay, so maintain source structure, change view, create. So give a data for source structure, gl post. So there must be changed the part name target gl post structure. Okay, okay, save it. Maintain source fields. So in the uploadation process, so what and all the data you're entering while posting a transaction, that fields we are captured, so that field we need to give here. Okay, otherwise to won't get data. Fields, change view, see, click on table maintenance. Okay, so the data will capture what we data capture, so copy the data. Field names, so character type I will give as a C. I will give date format. I will have some date format here. So, okay, I will DDMY. So this is the format like Indian format. Okay, it's not US format. It is DDMMYY. So that's why I'll give DDMY. Currency also I will give character. So value date, the DDMY and character. Okay, so I will copy this. I will paste in. Give some error data because I copied from the top. I need from here, not from the top. So now it's good, right? Yeah, it's good now. Right? So if you want to see the same, if you want to do modification also, so if you want to delete any field, so you can go and delete. Okay, see, you can go and delete here. it's fine. So the fields description automatically came. So if you want to copy and paste, so you can do it. Okay, done. Save. Then field mappings and conversion rule. No, no, maintains structure relationship, right? So this is captured automatically with the postings. Okay, so sometimes it will give not capture. Well, you have a more than one recording, so that time it will give some error. So that time what to do? So give change mode and select delete the relationship. Okay, save. Okay, then again give relationship, automatically captured. Okay, then save. Back. And then maintain field mapping conversion rule. So in this step we are giving the field mappings, each field matching with same field. Okay, the data need to capture how data will capture the relationship we are giving here. Okay, so we are not giving by one, so I'll give automatically. Okay, so what to do? Give a change mode, go extra menu and give auto field mapping. Okay, so no need to touch anything, the data will capture automatically. So only the date format you need to give. Okay, so give continue, document date. See document date one, accept proposal. Next, document type, accept proposal. Company code, yep. Posting date, so here accepting, I think posting date will ask. See the format will come ddmy format. So what format you are using? mm. If you are using month, date and year, so that select that one. Then accept proposal. Yeah, again last value rate, profit center. Right, so the field mapping is done. Then save it. Data was saved. Then maintain fixed values transaction ratio. So I think this we cannot do, it isn't the SAP defined the fixed values. So you can't do anything here, and no need to do this one. Specify files, so data need to the files so here we are uploading the file, so which we have manually keeping this. So this file we are uploading. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so I don't need this kind of characters, so delete it. So here I'll give the document. So I sometimes the technical names you can't understand, so that's why I'll give a description. Sometimes this description also somewhat big, so like this. So in the time what to do, if you not understand, so what to go with the object attributes, go with the overview, double click on the fields. So here you can get to know what and all things matching with the data. Okay, this is a thing we entered while posting a transaction. Okay, so which we're recording. So that is the thing. So what to do? So what is this? Document date. So what data I gave? 29/4. Okay, so document date 29.04.2020. Then document type essay. Then company code 1100. Then posting date same I gave 29.04.2020. So currency key INR. document ID. This I didn't give, but it captured. So I'll give star. Then posting key for next line item. So 40. What is this? The debit posting key. Then account match for next line item. Character. So this is GL account. WR BTR is an amount. Currency I'll give 15,000. Text test. Then mm, form this I didn't give, but it came. Okay, I'll give also X. Business area 11 BG. Cost center. So I forgot the cost center because it is little long. 1100 CC ABG. And value date 29.04.2020. If you go with the FB50, it will not. It we don't ask the character ID and some things it won't ask. Okay, it will get data easily. Profit center. Where is in profit center? 1100 BG. Okay. Same way. So I'll give 28. And when I'll give different one. So cost center I forgot. So I'll slash KS03. So this is my cost center. Yeah, this one cost center. 28.04.2020 1100 00CH, I think. Yeah, 1100 00CH. So I gave different business area and different profit center for document splitting concept understanding. Okay. Okay, this line item will move to here. Okay, I think you understand, right? So I remove this and this and this. So this, what to do? Move to corner. Okay, so then save it. So this is I make it as Excel. Okay. So normally LSMW accept only the Excel sheet format, tax delimit. Okay. So I will manually do. So let's see it will accept or not. I don't know. GL. I will say something is missing. That's why I'm checking it. Only one line item it's coming. So not, see, create line item is not accepted, right? So it not give any data. That's why I'm checking it. Okay, let delete and copy it again freshly. So here, no, no. Let's go back. See, it giving different data. Before it gave only few data it gave. Okay, let copy. Okay, it's anything fine. No, no, no. So see, something is missing. So let's see. Once update, then what are the errors we're getting? It's actually 50 uh, posting key is not entered here. Actually, okay. See, only 40 is there. 50 is not entered. Let's see. Let update. So then, if not accept, we'll go with another recording. Specify files. So here, so from where we are uploading the data, from the PC or our server, so application server or converted server. So this I don't know the file name. So change mode. So I'm putting from PC front end. So see something I'll tell you here. So sometimes if you do correct configuration also, the data will not accept and not uploading correctly. So what happened? So here see the server. There is a path which the data is importing. Okay, there is a path converting and placing. So change this path. Okay, same as the PC front end. So it will accept the data and read and post the data correctly. Okay, so I'll double click on here and select from the desktop GL tabular format because we selected tabular names on the top, correct? Then say nothing is select. Okay, only two fields entry. Okay, GL upload. Okay, this path. Okay, this is all nothing but the data we are creating sub project. So structure, no, that data. So assign files. So change mode, delete it, save, again assign it, save. So it will defeat inconsistencies. Okay, read data. So if you want how many line items, so how many you want. So I'm not giving any. So if you execute automatically, I'm executing. Hello. So two line items have. Okay. Then displayed read data. So I'm not giving any line items. I have only two, so I can give two. So 401 and 40. So So when this data is uploading, so there's only one back. So two items, right? Back, then convert data. It's definitely give error, I think. So two items converted. Display convert data. Okay, so you can see the data. Back, create batch per session. No need to change anything, just execute it. So here you will get, while processing you will get extended log. I'm activating. So display error, not foreground. Foreground is nothing but in friendly it is show how it's processing. That's it. See, I know. Okay, giving data error. I know. Okay, let's go with another recording. Okay. So if you want to execute with the batch input session, BEND. Okay, it execute. So yes, I'll quickly configure this one recording. Oh, sorry, I will take existing one only. This not this one. So while giving a fb50, it will not ask any posting key. Okay, it will automatically take debit and credit. So that's why it won't give any error. So I will go with another recording. GL change GL 1100 GL 1100 fb50 .04.020 0000 debit EST 11BG 2020 credit EST 11BG. Don't ask because balance sheet account. Simulate post. Okay, default all. Save. Okay. So I told you if you have more than one, so you won't select here. Okay, save. So I need to copy the fields, right? Same. C D D M Y C D D M Y C. Okay. Fields position change. Section. Okay. save. So the capture automatically. So specify files. So I'll go like what I entered here. So BLD80 document date. I'll go with 28.04.2020. Currency INR. 28.04.2020. Document text TEST. General ledger GL account 400,001. So again another GL account. So which is credit 20200. Debit credit indicator. So first one yes and H. It indicate yes in the sense it is debit. H in sense second line item credit. Yes. H is the first line item 01. Second line item 02. Amount. Okay. Amount. So I'll give 10,000. Amount in local currency same. So give star text TST item text line item second one same. Give star Q plus or type test business area 11 BG. Second line 11 BG. Trading partner no need I think. Cost center 1100 CCA BG 1100 CCA BG. CACH. .04 0. Yes. H. Yes indicate debit, H indicate credit. Okay. 50,000. When CH. I will delete this one because I don't need of this one. So I will make it as new copy, new book. Okay, this will I will save as a text element format in where in 3D. Okay, then go and upload the file. This time it won't give any error. Okay, table format, save, assign files, read data. So 3 line items I have entered, so it will capturing right. So display read data. So 3 line items capturing, convert data, display convert data, create batch input session, run. It's the final step. So here process, errors, logs. So it was successful, right? So we can go and check where we can go and check the data. So it's a GL account balances slash n FBL3N. So remove it. I will execute. So this is all. This is open item, not this one. So which we uploaded today, 29th. So 29 balance, 50,000, 12,000, 20,000, 28 data, 20,000, 10,000. So we'll check with an Excel sheet. Okay. So what data we uploaded? So 10,000 with 28th, 20,000 with 28th, 29 with 50,000, 28th, 20,000 is there, 10,000, 28th is there, 29, 50,000 is there, right? So this is what we did. is correct. So in any if you want to do any transaction, if you go in the vendor transaction, also same fb60 you will go and find. Okay, so this is LSMW overview and configuration part. So we done successfully. So then we'll go talk about asset accounting. So LSMW is done. So I hope you will enjoy this video, right? So please subscribe and like, give a comment. So in asset accounting, so in S4 HANA changes, there is no much bigger changes in asset accounting. So only one or two-step configuration and the modification of a doc tables and the postings. Okay, so what are the postings changed in the table level? I will tell you. Okay, so before, so we have like uh, how as so data transfer posting date, right? So once it is done, we can
Post
see the last closed fiscal year as you like data.
so I
So
will see
so I
the
have given
steps.
transfer as a
I will
2020.
give
So I'm
I will
mentioning here
not
for fiscal year, remembering that. So for that, so it last close fiscal year is 2019. So these are the depreciation areas. So there's a change, and my
some
HANA
more
access is
change like
expired. Okay, I'll apply transactional code changes, just accounting. So this and all steps normal, and that data transfer. So so this and all
for
same
post
data
AS,
parameters,
APC values. So before you're using like
date specification. So these
ASKBN, right?
steps are modified and created as a new step. Okay, and so here what we give
AS91.
last close fiscal year we are using, right?
So
Here,
now
so only this step
now
we
also
have.
we are using
So this
AS91.
step we don't have.
So and we are not
Okay,
using
in the
OAST
one
transaction
step
code.
we are defining entire
So the balance
transactions.
can carry forward. Now it's part of ABLT2 transaction code. Okay. So now we are giving
So
data
this
in
is the big change. So
ABSD2
from this
transaction code.
here, the data capture the data
So it is in the step
while
we
posting
can see it.
AS91. So data will
Okay.
show
And there is no
fiscal year,
reconciliation
previous
of
fiscal year,
so earlier fiscal year
asset
so
purchasing.
ABSD2.
Okay, so
ABSD2
this is the
transaction
one.
code
So what
no
is
longer possible here. So depreciation AFAB it's as usual, and ABUML the intercompany transactions, intercompany postings, right? ABUMN this is the same. Retirement ABAVN is the same, and it added one more ABUML, ABUML. There's additional one, and the Universal General ACDOCA. DOCA. This gives entire asset accounting data table. You will find every data in this table. ANLA, ANLB table. So this is all no longer possible. Only this data you can find it in ACDOCA. Okay. Thanks for the video. I hope you enjoyed it all. So please give a like and subscribe, and thank you for the video.
Familiar, you're familiar.